Technical analysis in trading. Overview of technical analysis. Through statistical analysis of price movement and volume measures gathered from trading activity, technical analysis is used to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities. In technical analysis, historical price charts and market statistics are used to examine and predict price movements in the financial markets. Based on previous market patterns, traders can reasonably predict future price movements if they recognize previous market patterns. An analyst uses technical analysis tools to analyze how supply and demand for a security will impact price changes, volume changes, and implied volatility changes. In combination with appropriate investing or trading rules, it assumes that past trading activity and price movements can provide great insight into the future price movements of a security, as well as providing short term trading signals from various charting tools. It can also be used to evaluate a security's strengths and weaknesses in relation to the broader market or one of its sectors. Analysts can improve their valuation estimates using this information.